Welcome to 3 Preston Grange Course. This all-brick custom home offers one-level living at its best. The quality of construction shows in the custom millwork, hardwood floors and built-in cabinets. The transitional floor plan has space for both formal and casual living. Where will you spend the most time, snuggled by the fireplaces in the living and family room? Or enjoying the sunroom and kitchen overlooking the backyard? All these spaces have real oak hardwood floors. The 3 large bedrooms and 3.1 bathrooms give you plenty of private space. The ultimate space for homeschooling or a home office, the bonus room has endless possibilities. The roof is brand new, you can add your personal touch to the home. Ford's Colony is an award-winning gated community offering pools, playgrounds, golf, tennis and miles of trails.